To get the components of the hypothesis test in StatCrunch, the first thing I'm going to do is press the Stat menu and scroll down to Z Statistics, One Sample, and I want with Summary. And I'm going to enter in the sample mean, which was 21.6, with that standard deviation of 7. And the sample size was 103. And then I'm going to click on Next, and my option for a hypothesis test is already selected, so I'm going to enter in the population parameter from the null, which was 22, and down here I can select the direction of my alternative. Remember, this was a lower-tailed test. Okay, now I'm going to click on Next, and then I don't need to store output in a data table, and I'm going to calculate. Okay, so you'll get this small screen with your results. You'll have your null. Now, the software in some textbooks always use the case of equality for the null. Our textbook does not. So if you recall from the problem, we stated the null as mu was greater than or equal to 22. In either case, the null hypothesis will always contain the case of equality. Okay, now our alternative is mu is less than 22, so this was a lower-tailed test. Okay, so down here you'll see the pieces that you'll need to help draw your conclusion. You'll have your test statistic, which was negative 0.58, which is the same one that we got from using the table and on the TI-84, and the corresponding p-value of 0.281.